If you're like me and you're really sick and tired of this 9-to-5 life, these are the YouTubers that you may want to follow. So whether you're a first-time filmmaker or you've already been picking up the camera, you should be following Filmright. These are some creative
Anywhere!
They actually present the information to you in the most comedic and valuable way possible. They're big on do-it-yourself guerrilla-style filmmaking, so it doesn't matter what the budget is. The host, Ryan Connolly, actually takes you on a journey, on his journey, as a matter of fact, of becoming a filmmaker. He teaches you all the tips and tricks and Hollywood techniques just like they would do it on a big-budget feature. But he's also going to show you how you could do it and pull it off even if you don't have any money, which is a big thing for first-time filmmakers. So whether you have a smartphone as a camera, you're using a DSLR, or using a Red camera, it does not matter. The techniques that they show you and they walk you through are actually going to be beneficial. And even if you are an experienced filmmaker, you might just want to watch them anyways because you might learn a thing or two. It not only makes you laugh, but he teaches it in a way that you're going to want to go out there and actually make something yourself. So Filmright has been on YouTube for about 10 years, so if you're lucky enough to catch them when they first started out, you can see the amazing progress that they have made. And one of the reasons I mentioned Filmright is because they have a massive catalog. That's 10 years worth of videos. So you can go back and actually refer to their original videos and just watch their journey and learn some of those things. And even when you get to catch up to the more updated episodes, you're gonna see that Ryan actually took some of his old techniques and revamped them. Why? Because he learned through experience. He learned along the way, and now he knows the techniques that are gonna make it faster, better, and a lot easier for you as a filmmaker to create. The next creator that you want to get familiar with is actually D4 Darius.
Yo, Darius Bird here.
So Darius actually brings a lot of value to the table. He's a writer, a producer, a director, and a cinematographer. So he brings all of his knowledge and experiences and presents it to you in the form of some creative videos. So his videos are actually pretty fun, creative, and engaging. He has little quick transition hacks. He goes into detail when it comes to screenplay writing and just the creative process, and he covers a lot of behind the scenes of his own experiences. You know, film festivals, he's done short films, he even uploaded a feature-length film to YouTube and a feature-length documentary that shows you the behind-the-scenes process of that. So Darius actually shares all his knowledge of filmmaking, screenwriting, and directing in his own unique way. Next creator we're going to highlight is actually Benjamin Brandon, the king of vertical filmmaking.
Holy sh**.
Alright, so if you're not sure what vertical video is, well, you're actually looking at it. This is vertical video. It's video that's shot vertically as opposed to horizontally. Now, Benjamin Brandon actually markets himself as a vertical filmmaker. This is a new format, a new medium, or at least something that's actually picking up steam. So his channel is not only dedicated to just filmmaking, but he's showing you everything that you need to know in order to produce some high quality vertical content. When you think of vertical filmmaking, the first thing that comes to mind is Instagram TV, because that's the platform that's pushing vertical videos right now. He's teaching you everything that he knows and everything that he's actually been able to accomplish on Instagram TV in a short amount of time. So not only is he going to show you how to produce high quality vertical content, he's going to show you how to market it, how to properly tag. Not only are you getting some filmmaking tutorials, but he's also giving you some really unique perspective and insight, giving you his overall process of how he completes his work. One of the great things about Benjamin's channel is the community that he's trying to build around vertical filmmaking and filmmaking in general. So if you're not sure what vertical filmmaking is it for you, you might want to check his channel out and just explore, experiment. You never know, you might like it.